to always hide camera cutout when opening a specific app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap camera cutout. Now select the required app you like to hide camera cutout when it's open. As the example, we will select Samsung Internet app. Next, find Samsung Internet app, or you can quickly find an app by tapping the search icon at the top right, and then type the app name. Tap Samsung Internet app, and then select hide camera cutout. Now your phone will hide camera cutout area by covering it with a black bar when you are opening Samsung Internet app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.